Hey guys, how's it going today? We're going down a bumpy road. Oh, that ain't a road, a gravel road. But we're gonna be going to see if we can catch some fish. And just hang out for the day. Alrighty guys, got a little worm. Sorry, that bird, I didn't know if it sounded a little person screaming or a bird. Get out here. It's been about 90 degrees the past 3 days. It's been hot, so
past 2 weeks.
it feels pretty. Like. It feels pretty good to be out here doing this.
Yeah, that's all.
Cuz has already got one.
Oh, he's pretty. Little, well, that shell cracker, I guess you'd call him.
Here, let's see what Cuz got.
Shell cracker, bluegill, one or two.
It's kind of deep right here, ain't it?
Yeah, you're good.
I gotta get over to you. There we go.
Little bitty old thing.
He's pretty.
Motherfuckers, get out of my feet. Excuse me, guys. These fish are all up in my feet. There you go. He's got him. He's got him. Oh, that is a...
I don't know what that is.
That is a rock. Something in there.
It might be a little rock bass or something. He's got a red eye. Let me get him off here for y'all. Here we go, guys. Pretty sure this is a pretty little rock bass. It's got the red eye. We was going to keep him, but we're going to be fishing here for a while. So we're going to sit here and let him go. There he goes. He's slimy. What's up? Huh? Oh, it is? I'm gonna just dropping this little worm down in this hole, see if anything bites. Oh, I got a bite.
Yeah, I can kind of see the bottom.
Got him, y'all. Here we go. See if I can get a hold of him. There's a little, sorry y'all, there's little minnows on my heels. They was freaking me out.
Yeah, are they attacking you now?
Yeah. I'm sorry, buddy. I know it's right by your eye. Yeah. Hey, I got my worm back for twice in a row.
Me too.
You want to check them out, guys? Look how pretty. Here, let me clean the camera off. Bro, there's minnows all on my feet.
It feels weird, don't it?
There we go. There he goes, y'all. And then we just go back in there. You say it's solid over there?
Yeah, if you go up a little bit where I walked up and come across.
Oh.
Uh-oh, I'm hung.
Oh, here's a little drop off. Here's some nice rocks. Let's try this spot. Oh, I just got a bite. Got him. Rock bass. Here's another one, guys.
Definitely need a couple of those in the pond.
Yeah. Oh, I hate grabbing these little things because all the spikes. That's the third 3 for 3, y'all. Still have my worm. Check that out. Oh! Oh, he done jumped out. But there's rock bass number 2. Cuz, take a cast right here.
Huh?
Take a cast right here. They just eat it right on sight.
You're catching all the hybrids, you're catching all the bass. Yeah.
Look how pretty he is, y'all. Here, put your hand back. There you go.
I'll put him on the black.
Yeah, here we go. See if we can get all those colors in there. He's a pretty. Yeah, y'all, I just fell and got soaked in a little hole. You care to wipe off my lens?
Yeah, with a dry spot.
Thank you.
I had a dry spot.
There we go.
That dry spot is now not.
There's a big hole right here, cuz. Right over. You can see all the mud. Oh. Oh. Yeah, you gotta be careful.
Oh shit.
Your phone. Oh, I just dropped your bait. You might be getting fish.
Oh man.
Is your stuff alright?
Yeah, it should be. It's the gun I'm worried about. That was a wee deep.
Oh, just dropped my stuff. Bunch of mistakes, y'all.
Just a
Check out how pretty this one is, y'all. Look at all the orange and peach on them. Look at them, cuz. Still got my worm still.
Yeah, I kind of accidentally threw mine away when I tried to go home.
Alright, y'all, we got a new species. He's like a little multicolored thing. Oh, there he went.
he's at your feet.
Oh.
I got you. We're just going to give him a little.
There he goes. Oh no. It's beautiful out here, y'all. Y'all should get out and explore some more. Just walk in a creek and just walk down it. Never know what you're gonna find. Hey guys, y'all know what this bone would be to? I don't really know. Kinda looks like a human nose to me, but I ain't no expert. But I'm gonna put that down. If y'all know what that is, let me know. Well y'all, there's some old Tilla street bike motor right here. It's right there if y'all can see it. That's crazy though. Y'all know exactly what motor that's to, let us know. Time to walk through all this old. I'm gonna walk around it. There ain't no drop off. There we go. Hey guys, I just wanted to show y'all this one, this bluegill that I caught. But y'all check him out. He's white on the bottom instead of peach. I mean, there's a little bit left, but there's white on the tips now. He's pretty. Let's see if we can. Oh, he's a feisty.
He said, smack up.
Here we go. All right, let's see if we can catch one on camera for y'all. Right into the tree. I'm gonna catch him out of the tree, watch.
Oh, and he did.
Oh, I got him while I was hung in the tree. There we go, y'all. There's another one. Oh, baby don't knows how to fish, uh-huh. Ooh, I barely had him hooked too. Oh wait, never mind. I had a good hook set on him. There we go. See if we can get number 3 on. 3 in a row. 3 in a row. Come on. No 3. Oh.
You motherfucker. Sorry guys. That was a whoa moment.
We both thought we had one, but it was just us. I'm only on there once. Alrighty guys, we got our fish for the day to put in the pond. Look at the patterns on them, y'all. See those cheetah patterns? Alright y'all, I think we got a rock bass right here, yeah. There we go, he's good on lively.
One of us will get him.
Here's the other rock bass, y'all. There he is right there. And there's another one in here. And there's some more.
Look.
Here, let me get an underwater shot.